2020 Honda CRV, just in an accident, and it has so many miles on it, or so little miles on it. Old radiator doesn't even have so much as dirt, a fly, or even a mosquito stuck into it, but it was hit, it's twisted. Now look up here. They thought we were just gonna pull one out and put one in and fill it up. But if you look carefully, you see it's tweaked over a little bit, like this. So when we went to put on the new one, and when it fits in right, the holes don't line up, because it's the core of the radiator is also tweaked with the tweak of this. So when putting in a new one, it's not straight. Some guys might say, well, just attach the bottom, grab the top core and tweak it over and get your screws in. That would not be a correct repair, because the radiator has already been tweaked over once. The metal has been bent, so you're going to tweak it over and bend the metal back the other way again at the seams and at the metal. So what do you think might happen? Imagine if you let this job go and 5,000 miles later the radiator core starts leaking at the areas down in the corners where it was tweaked over, and it was bent over once and then it was bent back over. Yes, you saved money, you might have saved time and a few phone calls, but you can roast an engine because you get a radiator failure 5,000 miles later. I've seen this happen more than once. And that's it, quick video. Don't go tweaking radiators just because it's cheap and fast and you're going to save somebody money or time.